Page 48, Allegro. Very old piece, but it's good exercise for A minor because you get to do the scales and runs like that for A minor and C major both. Let's look it over. It's a page of music. Now, the whole thing is repeated, so it's twice as long as it looks, but it's a page of music to learn. Treble, bass, clef, no sharps or flats in the key signature. All right, we already know it's in the key of A minor, but do the scales in our pages for both A minor and C major. Yeah. 4/4 time signature, one hand at a time. Start here. We got an A minor scale going down. 1 and 2. 2, 3. Then come over. Rest. And the rest come back up. 1. Okay. Measure 9. Now we're in C major. 1. Same thing, just in C major. Okay. And then the last line's back into A minor again. Left hand is here. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, rest, rest, come down, 1. That's fine. Put the hands together, and we're here. And I'll hesitate at first, I don't care. It's just here. So you want to play the E, the left hand comes up, because that's beat 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. Second measure, the right hand comes up on beat 3. 1, 2, 3. So in the third and fourth measure, the hands are sort of like that. Up here, and then up here. So that's by itself. The whole piece is sort of like that. So I'll go through and put the hands together, and then I'll go back over just a couple measures or so at a time and get rid of the hesitations. Keep it slow. Doesn't matter how fast you go right now, but no hesitations. Then I can add the articulation. We have staccatos. We're going to flex at the wrist. They're short. Now measure 3 and 4. There's no staccato there. The staccato's in the left hand. So add in the articulation and then the dynamics. And that's going to actually be both hands here. It's both hands. Moderately loud for the first 2 lines and loud for the third line and moderately loud for the fourth. Sure. You don't have to play the first 2 lines exactly moderately loud. You can get a little louder and softer. When I have repeated notes like in measure 2 and 3, I put in, just to feel it, just a slight crescendo, just a bum go on to here. I just feel it, very slight. That's interpretation. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all we're doing. Feel the natural accents? We're getting ahead of myself. Now we do the speed. Allegro's quick, but it's got to be accurate. How fast can you do these accurately? These don't go faster than accurate. So feel that. Let's do this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. And I'm not going to do the dynamics. We will do the repeats. The first 2 lines are repeated, and the second 2 lines are the last 2 lines are repeated. Okay, I'll give us 4 counts. 1 and 2 and ready and go and 1. Repeat. Rest. Repeat. Rest.